Hi friends and madams and sirs. Today my topic is gather approach in family planning counseling process. అసలు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చదివేటప్పుడు ఏంటి గ్యాదరింగ్ అప్రోచ్ అని అనుకున్నాను. తర్వాత అర్థమైంది మొత్తం డీటెయిల్గా చదివిన తర్వాత. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద కౌన్సిలింగ్లోని స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. డిఫరెంట్ స్టెప్స్ హౌ టు ట్రీట్ ద క్లయింట్ ఇన్ ద కౌన్సిలింగ్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ అవర్ కమ్యూనిటీ. సో ఒకసారి మనం దాని క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ కూడా చేయండి. మీరు కానీ ఒక ఎంఎల్పి స్టూడెంట్ అయితే మీరు మీ గ్రూప్లో ఈ వీడియోనన్నీ షేర్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళందరికి కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ద వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Welcome to Mahalakshmi Thoughts. Today my question is the gather approach in family planning counseling. First starts with the counseling definition. The counseling is a helping process where a person, skilled service provider or counselor explicitly and purposefully gives her or his time, attention and skill to assist a client to explore their situation, identify and act upon solutions within the limitations of their given environment. Counseling is a very essential component of our family welfare service and could concern individuals, couples, families and groups. Here, the services provider helps ensure that the client make free, informed and well-concerned decisions about their own contraceptive practice and childbearing and spacing. Coming to 6 principles of good counseling. How to interact with the client is the principles of the good counseling. That is, the client means listen centered, client centered. This is listening, interaction, exploration, no judgmental and trust. These are the key elements of the good counseling. Then coming to general principles of counseling. In the general principles, interact, the provider listen, learns and responds to the client and tailor information to the client, and listening to a client, the provider learn what information each client needs, then treat each client well. Then next point, the provider is polite, shows respect for each client and creates a feeling of trust. Then next point is clients need information to make informed choice, and then avoid too much information, as too much information makes it hard to remember really important information. The next point is provide the method that the client wants and help the client understand and remember. Then coming to counseling versus motivation. A motivator highlights just the advantages and thus makes the decision for the client, while a counselor would talk of the both advantages and disadvantages and thus facilitates decision making by the client. Then coming to the counseling process. Counseling is not an isolated event but an ongoing process that should be a part of every interaction with the client. The family planning can be divided into 3 phases of counseling, that is the general family planning counseling and specific method counseling and follow-up counseling. Then coming to the general family planning counseling. During the initial contact with the client is provided basic information on a range of methods, any mistake beliefs, myths about specific family planning methods are clear up and client is assisted in choosing a method that is appropriate for her family planning for her or couples. Then coming to second method, specific counseling. This is the period to and immediately following provision of the method chosen. The client is provided more detailed information about the method as well as instructions on how to use it safely and effectively, and client is told when to return for follow-up and is asked to repeat key information. Then coming to third phase is follow-up counseling. The client's satisfaction with the method is assessed and any problems or concerns are discussed. This is the opportunity to encourage the client for continued uses of the chosen method unless problems exist. Then coming to steps in family planning counseling. The gather approach. The gather technique is used to organize the elements of the counseling process. This acronym is designed to help the staff remember 6 basic steps for an effective family planning counseling session. Counseling should be tailored to the woman's individual needs and circumstance, and thus a provider need to use the gather approach sensitively so that it is appropriate to each client's need. Gather means greet, ask, tell, help, explain and return. This is the sequence of the gather approach. G means greet client in friendly and helpful and respectful manner. A means ask the client about needs, concerns and previously use, and tell them about different contraceptive options and methods. H means help them to make decision about choice of methods, and E means explain and demonstrate how to use the methods, and R means return or refer, schedule and carry out a return visit and follow up the gather. Then coming to steps of the gather approach. In that, first thing is greet the woman. In that, what you discuss points are greet the woman with warmth and respect and ask about the purpose of visit. Then coming to make sure that she understands that you are here to help her choose a family planning method that is right for her, and assure her that meeting will be confidential and she can speak openly about some private or personal matters so that you can help. Then coming to the ask. A means ask. Ask her about herself and assist. Ask about any previous experience with family planning methods, and assist the partner or family attitude about family planning, and ask about her reproductive goals, and ask about her need for protection against STIs, and ask whether she is interested in particular family planning method. In that, the important thing is explain that all sexually active persons should consider their individual risk for HIV and other STIs, and whether they should use condoms along or alone with another method of protection. Coming to T. T means tell her about family planning. Provide the general information about different family planning methods and focus on the method in which the woman is interested. Information covered many includes effectiveness of method, mechanism of action, and health benefits and potential risks and side effects of the method and protection from HIV and STIs, and cost and convenience and acceptability or availability of supplies needs. In that, correct any misconceptions and concerns the woman may have about method she is considering. Coming to H. H means help her select the method. Help the woman choose a method, don't decide for her. Then assist her knowledge about the selected method by having her repeat key details back to you and by asking her questions. For potential IUCD users, it is especially important that they understand that include menstrual bleeding pattern changes are a common side effect associated with the method. Then the IUCD offers no protection against the HIV or other STIs. Clients who are at risk should also use condom for protection. Then potential IUCD users should know that this will involve a pelvic examination for screening and will involve a minor procedure to insert the IUCD into her uterus. Then immediately before the IUCD insertion procedure, the client should receive pre-insertion counseling and screening. Encourage her to ask questions and state any remaining concerns about the selected method. Then coming to E. E means explain. How to use the method is explained to client. Immediately after the IUCD is inserted, the client should receive the post-insertion instruction and explain what to do if she experiences any problems or side effects and provide any other basic information needed, and provide information on warning signs that indicate the need to return to the client to clinic immediately. And IUCD users should have a routine checkup after their first menstruation in 3 to 6 weeks in case of interval IUCD and after 6 weeks in case of postpartum intrauterine contraceptive device. Ensure that the client has understood all the information and reassure her. And coming to R. R means return, visit or refer. Assist client satisfaction. Then check for concerns or problems for IUCD users. Emphasis is placed on menstrual bleeding changes, use of condoms to protect against STIs and warning signs, and tell them that they will also have a pelvic examination to check for infection and expulsion in the first follow-up visit, and reinforce client instructions for use of the selected method, and provide appropriate follow-up for any problems identified and refer women if needed. These are the steps of the gather approach in family planning. ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.